An image from the sky can help pinpoint problems in the field before you would ever see them. Our Grow co-host Marilyn Barnett has more.
Picture taken from the sky, from an airplane. We use a high definition camera, and you can see things from the sky, from these images that you would not be able to see on the ground. And when you can see these and see exactly where it is in the field, you know exactly where to walk to, and you can go straight to that spot, figure out what's wrong there, and diagnose it faster and come up with a solution faster.
And this has been happening for quite a while, really, right? But there's different ways that you can implement this kind of stuff. Obviously, technology just keeps getting better. What are we seeing here on the screen,
so these three different slides, these are three different types of images. The first image, the native image, that's been around for a long time, as long as you've been able to take a picture. The next two, these are the new stuff. We have the ADVI image and the thermal image. The ADVI image takes a picture of the greenness. The thermal takes a picture of the different temperature differences in the plants. And doing that, you can see areas that are stressed and areas that are not stressed by seeing the different greenness or the different temperature levels.
So you see these pictures, and you, from an agronomist perspective, what are you seeing?
So you see that little red patch kind of in that middle picture. That's a stressed area. I'd look at that when I got these images, and then I'd walk out to that spot in the field and figure out what's going on there. And these are three. This is the exact same field, all three images. You can notice on that picture on the left, you don't see that red spot.
Right.
That's the naked eye image. The reason why we take these other two images is because there's a lot of things you can't see with the naked eye.
Interesting. Now we have another slide to show you here too, explaining more as to why.
These are just some different examples of different things that you can see with these images. Crop damage, mechanical issues, nutrient deficiencies. The good example of this is happening in the Tri-Cities right now. A lot of farmers are noticing yellow patches of corn out in their field. Our agronomists have been going out to these yellow patches, pulling soil samples, sending them into our lab, and they're finding out all the nitrogen has been washed out of the root zone. We've had a lot of rain over the past month.
All right.
Nitrogen has been washed out. Well, with this technology, we might have been able to notice those areas a week, 2 weeks ago, get out there before it was actually turning yellow to the naked eye, pull those soil samples, send them into our lab, and come up with a solution that much sooner.
It's interesting too that farther one, to the insects one that might be missed by, that's crazy what you can discover.
Yeah, well, I mean, with conventional scouting, you'll walk out to 2 or 3 random spots out in the field. You can see, you could easily walk within 10 yards of that and never notice that spot.
Interesting, and technology just keeps getting bigger, better and better too. I'm sure you're looking forward to that. So if anybody has questions, where do they go for more information?
And you go to servatech.com or stepspro.com. You can email me at mark.morton@servatech.com.
Because it's important to get those things ahead of time, like you mentioned. Scout ahead and get that answer that you need so that you can prevent any further damage. Go to our website as well, nebraska.tv. If you have questions, you can see this interview right there again. Just click on NTV's Grow.
Later, burgers, even jerky. It's red meat, but it's not beef. We'll explain.